Hey guys, welcome back, and first of all I want to thank Virus Communication for arranging this phone for me. So moving on, here are 5 strong and practical reasons to buy this phone, and I will cover this topic in few minutes. First being the obvious display. You saw that coming, right? So we all know Samsung is in first when it comes to making the best displays in the market, and this phone stands to that, like totally. Just look at the colors, it's sharp, so has a saturation, and also thanks to that small dot punch, it's not that disturbing, especially like the iPhone's one. And just look at this phone, especially from the edges, how beautifully it melts. And also talking about display, you should know one thing guys, that it's rocking 120Hz of display. Yes, you heard it right. Like not all the time, but still. Moving on to the second reason, and for me this would be ease of use. When phone is this huge, most of us cannot use it with one hand. But Samsung did something different this year. Yes, it's humongous, but now you can extend the screen downwards. Something like this. As you can see, the panels and options tend to come down, which means there's no need for me to reach to the end of the screen, which is very smart as no phone does this. Like so far, I don't know, but hey, who knows in the future. But so far, Samsung is the first. So if you have dreamed that you can use big phones with one hand, it's the one you should get. Reason number 3 is build quality. Well, problem with new phones is that they're usually made up of glass to achieve this classy look, but in Note 20, not giving a glass panel in the back and still achieving this crazy premium look is kind of a big deal for me. And also it's rocking the latest Gorilla Glass, which means keys and all will not affect this phone, which means no scratch. So coming back to the build quality, I can easily give this phone best award for the most grippable phone that I've ever held in my hand. Like, grippable, is that even a word? But you get it, right? Like only phone you can for sure use it without back cover, and it will not fall from your hands, which is a very big thing. And let me tell you, I cannot force mode that it will not fall from your hands. We should thanks to that panel and corners, I guess. Next big reason, this one was for me, sound. Yes, you heard it right. Who will buy the phone just for the sound? I am the one, don't judge me here. This surround sound system is too good and also pretty satisfying too, in short. It's kind of, a mini theater for you, but here it goes.
In the Tesla Model 3's central touchscreen. The Tesla Model 3 is very minimalistic, meaning there aren't very many buttons or knobs. There's just the central 15-inch touchscreen along with 2 scrollable buttons on the steering wheel. Press the little fan icon at the bottom of the screen and the climate controls come up.
It will not give justice to the phone, but go to showroom and listen to it yourself. You might get why this is a big reason and comes under my top 5 list. Last but not the least, S Pen. If you cannot buy a tablet, iPad Pro because you feel like it's not worth it, why don't you consider this one? Like it's best in the class, and seriously, this pen genuinely feels like a pen. You might feel like that too. I couldn't do a lot because I am not into that like totally, but if you're in school and you have projects, photo editing, yes, you can do all things here because the latency rate has been reduced massively from the last year, which means now it's more of a pen more than a S Pen. Bad joke, I know, but you get the idea. So there you have it. This was my video and my reasons. I didn't include camera, 5G, 8K recording, performance, battery life, specs, because you see that in every video, and I really wanted to focus more on practical usage, which comes handy every hour. So I know I just covered everything in a very small period of time, but hey, I hope you liked it, and if you did, let me know. And again, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.